Hello, we have been receiving a lot of questions. I guess first I should introduce myself. I am Samantha Brown and I'm the marketing coordinator here at Sadler and Company, and this is Jordan Moran. He's an enrolled agent here. You want to introduce yourself a little bit?
Jordan Moran, been an enrolled agent since 2012 and worked at Stadler and Company since 2009.
So we have been getting a lot of questions about tax resolution and what exactly a tax resolution is, and so we decided the best way was to do a live chat and answer some questions live because we know there's probably a lot of people with the same questions. So we also invite you to send us questions. You can either comment below or you can email Jordan directly at jordan@stadlerandcompany.com, and we will be back next week to answer some of those questions. So the first question we have is, why would someone need tax resolution service?
You're definitely going to need tax resolution services if you are receiving letters from the IRS. You may be behind on filing your taxes. You could be facing an individual or a business audit. And also if you got a notice of federal tax levy or lien.
Okay. So whenever someone receives a letter or something like that, what should they look for in a tax resolution provider?
Sure. The firm that you work with there, or the person that you work with, you definitely want to start out with them being an enrolled agent. An enrolled agent is specifically licensed or gets their rights to represent taxpayers directly from the United States Treasury. They're required to use continuing education each year, very extensive training each year. Also, you want to look to someone who's maybe been through the NTPI course, National Tax Practice Institute. That's a nationwide seminar there that you can attend. There's 3 different parts. It's the highest distinction in tax resolution. They provide continuing education, hands-on service, and there's a lot of great people you can meet through networking there as well. Most importantly, we want to nail down that you definitely want to find someone, if you need tax resolution services, that is hometown. So you're able to go in, meet with them face to face, make sure that you can trust them, that you're getting good advice, and that you're going to get what you pay for.
That's very important because there's a lot of companies out there that are not hometown that definitely promise things that they probably can't deliver on. So it's very important to choose a hometown provider.
Right.
We will take a few minutes to see if there's anybody that has questions. I see Holly shared our video. Thank you very much. And like I said, we're going to be doing this each week, so feel free to send in your questions. For the first few, we're definitely going to look at tax resolution services, but you can send us any questions that you may have pertaining to either small business services, tax resolution, tax prep.
Mm-hmm. Right. I definitely want to say, if you need our help, or you think you need our help, or you know someone that needs our help, don't feel like you can give us a call or email. Once again, my email is jordan@stadlertax.com, and you can reach us at phone number 812-478-2800.
Do you want to maybe talk about the consultation? If someone thinks they might need our service, what should they do?
Sure. I think we can get into that a little bit more next week, as far as what you need to bring and what types of things that you may need to know, or questions that you have. Like I said, if you have questions, you can send me an email and I can let you know what you need to bring, or if you need to call, that will work as well.
But they can come in for a free consultation.
Yes, you can definitely come in for a free consultation. We don't want to feel like that you have to work with us. We definitely want to know a lot about our clients there, or if we can help them. And we're going to be honest and upfront. If it's a quick fix, we're not going to charge you a bunch of money just to sit down with you for 5 minutes and not help. So we're looking to help. Like I said, if it's fast, we'll deal with it appropriately there and give you their advice, to solve your issue the cheapest and best way as possible.
And that kind of reminds me, the whole reason that I was led to Stadler and Company. I got a letter in the mail. I used to live in Illinois, and it was probably 5 years later I received a collections call from the state of Illinois saying I owed, it was like thousands in back taxes, and I was very upset and worried because I'd always filed my taxes, and I didn't know what to do. So I knew Jordan, so I brought my letter to him, and he was able to resolve it easily and quickly for me. I actually didn't owe. The state of Illinois filed on my behalf and thought that I should owe. But he was able to fix it for me and take that load off, and it made me a client of Stadler and Company, and now I work here. So it definitely gave me peace of mind.
Right. Yeah, and be sure to tune in next week. We're going to do this every Wednesday at noon. If you have any questions, you can post them on the forum there, or email or call me. You have my contact information there. So we hope to see you next week.
Yeah, and one of the things we're going to talk about is what happens if you ignore those letters from the IRS.
Right. Yeah. Don't miss that next week.
All right. Thank you.